Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on a mission to find the perfect spin bike to elevate your home workouts, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top spin bikes on the market, comparing features, comfort, and value to help you choose the best one for your fitness journey. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. YOSUDA Indoor Magnetic Cycling Exercise Bike. The YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike offers an affordable and reliable option for those looking for a gym-like spinning experience at home. It boasts a belt-driven 35-pound flywheel and offers unlimited resistance adjustments, catering to all fitness levels and workout intensities. The design mirrors traditional spin bikes found in gyms but comes at a more wallet-friendly price. It provides considerable comfort with a high-quality adjustable seat and handlebars. Setting it up is simple, and it's easy to move thanks to its built-in transport wheels. The bike's steel frame ensures durability and stability even during intense pedaling sessions. Additional features include cage pedals, a slot for holding devices, and a water bottle holder. However, the display is limited to showing one data field at a time, and it lacks pre-programmed workouts or connectivity options, giving users total control over their exercise sessions. Despite these limitations, the YOSUDA bike remains a solid and economical choice for those seeking basic spinning functionality. If you're willing to spend slightly more, consider the ProForm Carbon CX, which supports IFIT workouts and offers an enhanced interactive training experience. Pros: expansive resistance settings, huge resistance range, stable and sturdy, smooth and quiet weighted flywheel. Cons: basic display. Number 2. Sunny Health Amp Fitness Indoor Magnetic Cycling Exercise Bike. The Sunny Health Amp Fitness Pro II FB 1995 offers a robust digital monitor that tracks essential workout metrics such as speed, time, distance, calories burned, pulse, and RPM. Despite lacking a built-in display, this makes it a more cost-effective option compared to higher-end models. The bike is equipped with a media holder, making it easy to use your own device to stream workout classes or entertain yourself with movies and TV shows during exercise sessions. With a 40-pound flywheel, this bike provides a ride quality that mimics cycling on actual roads. A notable feature for its price bracket, the integrated pulse sensor monitors your heart rate, helping you stay aligned with your fitness objectives. Although it doesn't include a tablet, the ample device holder accommodates a smartphone or tablet, enabling you to engage with online training programs or enjoy your favorite digital content as you work out. Overall, this budget-friendly spin bike is an excellent value for those seeking effective home workouts without the frills of more expensive equipment. Pros: adjustable seat and handlebars, large 40-pound flywheel, media holder for tablet and phone, adjustable resistance. Cons: lacks dual-sided pedals. Number 3. Nordic Track Commercial SI Studio Cycle Exercise Bikes. The Nordic Track Commercial SI, an updated version of the SI model, impressed us with its exceptional adjustability during our testing. This indoor cycling bike sets itself apart by offering both resistance and incline adjustments, enhancing its versatility. The bike's standout feature is its 22-inch touchscreen, which streams visually stunning outdoor cycling workouts. Mimicking the feel of riding outside, the bike comes with a 30-day free trial of IFIT membership, allowing access to over 16,000 different classes suitable for any fitness level and time constraint. Our tests highlighted the convenience of the time crunch classes, which are intensive workouts designed to be completed in just 15 minutes. Ideal for those with tight schedules. Much like the Peloton, this bike features automatic adjustments for resistance and incline during classes, but these can be manually overridden via controls on the handlebars if preferred. We were particularly taken with the bike's 24 levels of resistance and the expansive touchscreen, which rivals the immersive experience provided by Peloton. Additionally, the adjustable sound settings allow for customizing audio levels of music and instructor guidance to suit any rider's preference. Number 4. YOSUDA Belt Drive Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike. Whether you're just starting out with spin bikes, or you're an avid indoor cyclist, the YOSUDA Belt Drive Indoor Cycling Bike guarantees an effective workout. This model is noted for its affordability and operates using a magnetic resistance principle coupled with a belt drive system, ensuring a ride that is both smooth and exceptionally quiet. One of the best in its class for noise reduction, the bike's fully adjustable features, including an inseam range from 27.5 to 362, make it suitable for riders of various heights, optimizing comfort for everyone. Its steel toe-caged pedals enhance the feeling of being on a professional cycling circuit. And the adjustable resistance knob allows for easy customization to suit your workout intensity, ideal for those in shared living spaces or apartments. This stationary bike is designed for comfort and convenience. It features a wide seat that many find more comfortable than typical spin bikes, and handlebars that adjust completely to fit your body. Plus, its compact design and ease of mobility make it simple to move from one room to another. Number 5. Schwinn IC4 Fitness Indoor Cycling Bike. In our evaluation, whether taking a leisurely cool down or engaging in an intense climb, the Schwinn IC4 bike provided a ride that was smooth, stable, and remarkably quiet. While it lacks the touchscreen found on higher-end models like the Bowflex Velocore bike, the IC4 compensates with a practical device holder and a backlit LCD console that displays vital metrics in real time. For those attracted to the premium features of our top-rated model but hesitant about the $1,799 price tag, the Schwinn IC4 is an excellent alternative. Offering a significant savings of over $600, top indoor cycling bikes typically feature easily accessible resistance controls, and the IC4 excels here too. With a knob that adjusts through 100 levels of resistance, making it simple to tailor the intensity of your workout, our tests confirmed its ultra-quiet performance across both vigorous and gentle sessions. Additionally, the bike includes dual-sided pedals that cater to both regular sneakers and cycling shoes, adding versatility for all types of riders. Pros: whisper quiet, dual-sided pedals, includes 3-pound dumbbells. Cons: seat not as cushioned as other options.